If your contacts aren't updating in Pipedrive, yeah, that can cause serious confusion in your workflow. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. First, refresh your page or reopen the app. Sometimes updates just don't load properly at first. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can delay updates. Now check your filters. Sometimes contacts are updated, but hidden due to filters or custom views. Make sure you have the right permissions. If you don't, updates made by others may not be visible to you. If you're using integrations like Google or Microsoft, make sure syncing is active and working properly. Finally, log out and log back in. Yeah, this can refresh your session and fix syncing issues. And that's it. These steps should fix most contact update issues in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.